Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. So as you guys can see that I'm all ready to go somewhere else. So today, me and my friends, we plan to go for a hiking because weather is very favorable today. Usually in Rajgir, it's very hot and we cannot go outside. But in winter, it's gloomy and cold. So I think winter has come now because today it's very gloomy and then weather is very much favorable for us to go for a hiking because we have been wanting to go for a hiking from a very long time, but because of the heat and all, we couldn't go. So today we planned it. So I think it's 10 a.m. right now. So yes, so most probably we will be going to Vulture Peak. So Vulture Peak is one of the Buddhist sites where Lord Buddha had given his second teaching about emptiness. So Lord Buddha had taught, Lord Buddha had given three teachings, right? So the first one is in Varanasi Sarnath, where he talked about Four Noble Truths, and then the second one is the second teaching happened in Rajgir, where we will be going today, where he taught about emptiness, and then the third teaching happened in Bihar only, but in Vaishali. It's like 4 hours drive from here, our university. So it's in Vaishali where Buddha had given the third teaching. So it was about the good differentiation of the first and the second teachings. So yeah, so I'm very happy. So till the base we have to go in tuk-tuk, and after that we will be walking obviously. So see you guys. I am in my friend's room right now, so they are getting ready. Say hi. So this is what I'm wearing today.
We are going to Greens today.
Rains man mein Vulture Peak.
Yeah, Vulture Peak.
Yeah. My friend Rose is also getting ready in next room. Hi guys, so Ramchi Duhachi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 of us are going now. Young bloods. Hi love Garagi. Thome che evening go. Thome. Sampo se Buddhist dreamer gizumela bole. So we will be walking till gate ngat atra ne bere biu. So after that we'll be going. Ani ere guys, kam jachi chi. Yellow ba.
बुद्धिस्ट बेसी लो बुद्धिज्मको एमबिए एउटा हिस्ट्रीको नामले त गरिरहेको हिस्ट्रीको डिबेट
Sai sati. It's drizzling, but still we are going. No give up bhaner sati. Sati look here.
Yes, we are going. Let's see how it works.
Yes.
It's not raining here. Oh, it's
I don't know I don't know bro, it's not how you say. Then how you say? I don't know.
Yun te lang jobe.
सब नहीं लड़के अंदर वहां मैंने 50.5
चाय ले रही
हूं अच्छा
शादी एक्टिंग कर रहा था कितना हो गया चलो चलो जल्दी Okay. Bye.
Bye bye bye.
From here we have to take tanga because tuk-tuk is not allowed. It's still drizzling, guys. Yes, sir. Very, very gloomy. Huh? Vulture Peak di anale
What?
okay.
Gachi
Gachi ani ya?
aya.
Gachi.
Aya ta judu
Oh, the ani Shanti stupa ani cable car.
Okay, okay.
Interesting ye ba na? Sachi jogi ta. Oh. Tole andi soni minda baya.
Andi skulina.
Mashatte gachi na. We are walking in the rain. So from this footpath we have to walk till the Vulture Peak. Sati, how's the Josh? Sati, how's the Josh?
Josh is very high la.
Hi la, chap na lu. Huh? There is the Vulture Peak. We have to walk still. So we are about to reach. The weather was, I would say it was raining, but then it was worth it because experience. Josh, hi. Anal they got to go from here. Oh, Shanti Stupa. Okay. So we are going to rest for a while here in the cave. Ani cave diga chilo? This cave. We finally reached.
Sheriff boşun cevap dinle ta.
Finally to the Vulture Peak. We are at the top. So this is Vulture Peak where Lord Buddha had given the second teaching. Ide! Jutta Figo. Yeah. Sorry. Sati यहाँ second teaching held back on tay. Second teaching यहाँ happen back. अनि रात की नल हच्ची में नच्ची है. Show कोरा ची चपके. We are heading back now. I think we will visit some cave and then meditate. We did meditate in one of the caves. Now there are I think 2 or 3 caves on the way. So we will be going there. Let's go. It's very cold. Khối I'm late khối. We are at Vulture Peak. Ya ina. Tin guys Zuni.
खाबार मात्र बनाउँछस्
बेच्न हेचिमेंगा छि. Right, now we will go to eat maybe and then we'll go back to the university. Kaçno niye çe? Haftadan?
कितने
1000
रोज तर्स्यो नि पैसा सुने रोज तर्स्यो नि पैसा सुनेर तिम्रो यहाँ हेर न तिम्रो तर्स्यो भेस्ट त्यहाँ न
Jogi. Let's go guys. We're back to the university. Feeling very cold.
राम्रो बनाउनु भने के
Go तिमी देखाउँछु बोल त.
We are back to university now. बोल न अनि. We are back to university. The block was blocked.
University गए में हुए.
Ina.
मेरा fees पे.
ते गच्ची में गए university.
Fees दुबा ते नाना.
Yeah.
Allah.
6 piece गामी थिएन.
Hi guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Bye everyone! Welcome to Gigi's vlog!
Bye bye.